Hey everybody, it's Nikki, the Baby Whisperer. You know me, I talk about all things breastfeeding. You can find me on Instagram and on TikTok, same username you found me here. We're going to talk about something that I feel like I need to scream all the time from every direction I can. We need to quit timing feeds. It's very old and archaic way to teach a mom when a baby is full. Okay? It doesn't work. There's no evidence behind it, and it's not good practice. There's tons of reasons why, and I'm just going to go over a few. But here's what I want to tell you. Everybody gets milk differently. So some people get milk really quickly, their letdowns are really strong and really powerful, and those babies get done at breast quicker. A lot of you in those first 2 days of breastfeeding need to understand that there's colostrum there. And I don't know how long it takes for your baby to get out what they need. And there's no way to measure that. There's just not a way to measure that. We need to start trusting our bodies from the beginning. And as soon as you stick a clock on a feed, you're not trusting your body. You're trusting a clock. You're not trusting your baby. You're trusting a clock. And what happens when breastfeeding starts going really well and things start progressing really quickly and things are moving really good and you're like, oh, I used to breastfeed for 20 minutes and now I'm only breastfeeding for 4. My baby's not getting enough. Whoa. How do you know that? And that mom never gained the ability to trust her body and her baby because she's been trusting a stupid clock this whole time. The clock is deceiving. In my practice for 20 years, I have seen mamas who tell me they're nursing their babies for 20 minutes. And when I watch that baby nurse, there is no milk removal. There is none. If there is any, it's a very small amount. But they think just because baby's sitting there, it's a feed. No. That's not accurate either. The other thing I've seen is moms trying to force babies to stay on their breasts for a really long time. And then we do a pre and post feed weigh because they've been forcing. And their babies are getting like 3 ounces in a couple of minutes. But because they think babies need to eat for 15 minutes, they're fighting this fight to get a baby that's full to latch. Well, how do you know your baby's full, you guys? How do you know your baby's full? They get soft hands. Their body gets heavy as they start eating. You can hear active suck, swallow, breathes. And your baby will fall asleep at breast. Did you know not all babies pop off a breast when they're full? They don't. They'll comfort nurse. Lots of babies just want to comfort nurse. So stop timing feeds. It is not helping anyone, and it's not teaching you to trust yourself.